Have you ever heard of High-Fidelity Sizzling on an indoor smokeless grill? Get ready. Click. This is going to be an experience that you've never experienced before. Prepare yourself for the sizzle sound. You hear it? You hear it, Mom? You hear it? One more? Can we get one more? Oh my gosh. That sound is so satisfying. Chicken fajitas sizzling. Look at that. Perfect brown. The perfect look. A little bit of cebolla for ya. Sizzling. Look at that. You gotta get one of these, man. I mean, bro, you gotta get one of these. These are indoor. Are we going to cut it open and see the juice? Is it juicy? Oh, it's juicy.